Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anushri Khaute, practicing dermatologist from Pilar, Goa. Today we'll talk a little bit about a skin condition called vitiligo. What is vitiligo? It is an autoimmune condition where the pigment producing cells of the skin are lost. Autoimmune because the body attacks its own pigment cells, resulting in white colored patches which have absolutely no pigment and look completely white. Certain myths associated with vitiligo which need to be busted. First being that it is contagious. You can get vitiligo by touching the patches. Absolutely false. It is a non-contagious condition, does not transmit because it is not an infection. So you can shake hands, hug these patients without getting the skin condition. It happens only to the patient. Second, certain foods, sour foods like lemon, citrus fruits, non-vegetarian items can cause or worsen vitiligo. Absolutely false. In fact, the nutrients and the vitamin C, which is in high amount in these foods, is absolutely essential for a good immunity, even in vitiligo patients. Third, it is completely not treatable. Once you suffer from vitiligo, you suffer from it throughout your life. Nothing can be done. Again, with today's new medications which are there are so many different options that can be done. Creams can be tried, light therapy, tablets in some cases, and the condition can be brought to such a level that it can be very well controlled and will not be even visible. The patches will not be even visible to the onlookers. In most of the cases, vitiligo is manageable. Last bizarre myth associated is that because of sins of the past, the people suffer from vitiligo. Again, a complete myth. Already these patients are under a lot of mental stress, and we do not need to give them any more stress by mentioning such things. It is not because of any sins, but it is because of an autoimmune body's process, and can happen to anyone at any age. Lastly, certain do's and don'ts of vitiligo. Always wear sunscreen when you have to go out for long duration in sunlight, because these patches are devoid of normal pigment cells and are more sensitive to sunburn, sun irritation. Always wear sunscreen. Do not avoid anything from your food without discussing with your doctor first. Eat a well balanced diet. Manage your stress levels, because stress can worsen and also trigger vitiligo in some cases. Lastly, if you have any other doubts, if you or anyone you know suffers from vitiligo, always visit the doctor. Do not miss your appointments. Follow the medication that is given. Do not try home remedies or herbal medications which have no scientific backing, as these can harm your liver and other organs of the body. Always follow what your dermatologist has prescribed only. Thank you.